All right, today we're going to be making sassy apple popcorn in the kettle corn machine. All right, today we're going to be making sassy apple popcorn in the kettle corn machine. This is a product by Gold Medal. It's floss sugar, and let's get going. All right, we got 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of kernels. All right, we're heating up our kernels, getting that going. Once this starts popping, we'll add our Gold Medal green apple. Kernels are starting to pop. All right, here we go. We got 1.5 cups of our green apple Gold Medal. Get that stirred up, nice and melted. Get that going. Let it heat back up. Popcorn's starting to pop again. Oh yeah, you can really smell that green apple. It smells great. All popped up. Turn off the heat. There we have nice green apple popcorn. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and coated all over. And as this cools down, it'll even start to look like it's even more coated when it starts to cool down. Let's give it a try. Oh, yeah. The flavor is really bold. It tastes just like a green apple Jolly Rancher. Really, really great stuff.